Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today guys, we are doing another Ulta haul and I'm super duper excited. I think I'm going to start doing one of these once a month because I've been getting in the habit of going to Ulta and doing a little splurge once a month. So it's September, it's a new month, so let's do a new Ulta haul. I got some really good products that I'm really excited to show you, so let's go ahead and hop on into it. But before we do, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I see right on top right here is the Juvia's Place Bronzed Palette. It looks just like this. So on the back, it does say that this is a bronze duo. It consists of two complementary, rich and buildable soft matte powders that provide a smooth bronze definition to facial features. I got the tan one and it does come in one shade that's even deeper than this, and it's super duper deep. I looked at it online and I was like, wow, that's beautiful. But if you know, you know, Juvia's Place always does a really good job at inclusivity of all skin tones, and it's black owned, so of course they do. This is what the tan duo looks like. I'm gonna swatch. Ooh, oh my goodness. And then this is the lighter one right here. So those are the two shades right here. So the next three things that I got are from e.l.f. I got two of their new Putty Bronzers. I got one in Bronzed Belle, which is the lighter one, and then I got this one in Sun Kissed, which is super duper deep, probably a little too deep for me. It really did not look this dark online, but it's very, very deep. I love their putty blush. I got a new putty blush, which I'll show you next. So the next thing that I got from Ulta is a putty blush. This is my third putty blush. I wanted to get this one because I think it would be really good for fall. If you look at it right here, look how deep and beautiful that is. It's like a really cranberry type of red. This shade just makes me feel like all of the fall vibes, so I definitely had to grab this one. Like I said, I really like their putty blushes. The other two that I have, I am absolutely in love with them. I just had to grab another one. They're so affordable and they work so good, so creamy, so pigmented, so you cannot lose with the putty blushes. Next, I wanted to mention one more Juvia's Place product that I got. This one I had never even really heard of, like I hadn't seen it on any social media or anything like that, but I received the Ulta Beauty like catalog magazines every month, and this was in the magazine, and I was like, this is the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer. This is making me think that it's going to be kind of like the like P. Louise like eyeshadow base, and I'm really hoping that it is because I've never tried the P. Louise, but I'm hoping like this is like something like it because I've always wanted to have an eyeshadow primer like the P. Louise one, just seeing how it performed on social media. So I hope this is similar. I love the packaging, by the way, and this is in the shade 2, so there's different shades, and this is called Color 2. If you know what I'm talking about, you know that this is really similar to the P. Louise packaging. I'm going to save it for when I test it out in an upcoming video, probably the video that's going to be right after this one. The next two things that I got are from Real Techniques. I really think this is cool. I got a new sponge. I'm in desperate need of new sponges, so I decided to get this one. This is the Real Techniques Sponge Plus. It says it's a Miracle Airblend sponge. Sponge. The orange one is like the OG, like one of the first ones to come out as a beauty blender dupe, and I really love the orange one. So this one just says, this one's just a little bit different in that it's blue and it says Miracle Airblend Sponge. It says it has an air light foam, it has 3-point precision application, and it's still shaped the same with that flat edge at the top and then the round pointy booty parts. And then I got this to go with it, which I think will be really good for traveling. It's actually a beauty sponge case. It's for the Real Technique sponge, but other sponges of course can fit into it. I think that's such a good idea for traveling, so your sponge doesn't have to just be in your makeup case getting all nasty and dirty, mixing with all the other makeup in there. This will just keep it a little bit more sanitary, especially if it's damp and you put it in there. This is the new LA Girl Tinted Foundation. shade Almond, and it says that it is a buildable natural finish. I love how it has like an applicator like this. It's like a little squeezy tube. I'm really liking foundations that are doing this for their foundations. It's just a lot simpler instead of like, you know, pouring it on the back of your hand. When it's like this, it's very easy to just squeeze it on your face, which is what I really like. It says it's sheer to medium coverage on the side right here, but it says it's buildable. We'll see. I don't really like a lot of coverage anymore because I use concealer more for that. So it sounds good. Hopefully it's not too light for me, but I can't wait to try it out. I got two other LA Girl products, so I'm going to go ahead and mention those before we move on. I got two of their neon Shockwave eyeliners. I really like the two that I got previously in the Ulta haul I did a couple months ago, so I decided to get a couple more. I got just the classic black. I am in need of a black eyeliner, so I decided to try this one. I'm not sure what the shade is, but it's just a black liner. The shade is Blackout, that's what it's called. And then I got this green one right here. This one's called Gotcha, and this is just really pretty. When I show you the eyeshadow palette that I got, you'll see why I got this green liner, and it's just really pretty. So I'm excited to use these two and let you know how they work. I got one more thing from LA Girl. Ooh, I had to get another one. Even though summer is coming to an end, I had to pick up one more of these palettes before it is officially fall, because I'm not sure if these are limited edition. They are more of a summery type themed palette, so I'm sorry if you see little fuzzies flying around. I do not know. I have a white like fuzzy carpet on the floor, and it just seems like little fuzzies are flying everywhere. I just did a reel and I had to refilm one part of the reel because there was a huge fuzzy that flew in front of me while I was doing it, and it looked like a fly or a bug or something, and I did not want people thinking I had bugs flying around my house, so I refilmed that part. But I don't know what's going on. It's just little white fuzzies. You get a huge mirror, and these are the shadows right here. Like I said before, you'll see why I got that green eyeliner, because this one has all the like hunter green and orangey and brown types of feels. And the other one that I got is called Good Times and Tan Lines, and this one's called Under the Palms. One more thing from LA Girl, I did get their Pro Sponge. Like I said, I'm just in need of new sponges, so I picked this one up because it's very affordable, and I love LA Girl. I'm loving LA Girl. I keep saying that, but it's true. I'm like loving their products. It's nice and cute in pink. We'll see how bouncy and how big it gets and how it works in my next video. I did also grab a highlighter. I got a $5 highlighter from Essence. It's their Pure Nude Sunlighter, excuse me, not highlighter, and it's called Be My Sunlight. So they do have another one that's called Be My Highlight that I've seen a lot of people use, but it did seem a little bit too light for me and my skin tone, so I got the Be My Sunlight Sunlighter. This one's like a really pretty gold looking shade. Yeah, that's pretty. As you can see, beaming, and it's really golden, so that seems really good for my skin tone, or if you are deeper than me. So I'm excited to try this out. It's a $5 highlighter that's supposed to be like really good, so if it is, that's going to be amazing because it's only $5. I also did pick up some lashes. The lashes that I got are from Ardell. These are their lash contour lashes. It comes with a 2-in-1 eyeliner and lash adhesive, which I did not even know that it came with that. I thought it was just 2 pairs of lashes. So these are supposed to be those lashes where you can use the black eyeliner and they stick. I have tried some off, you know, I didn't show you, but I did try some from Kiss, and it was a hot mess. It really deterred me from ever trying the eyeliner adhesive ever again, because it's kind of like, I felt like a gimmick because the Kiss one did not work at all, and I ended up like ruining the lashes. So I really didn't want to try any eyeliner adhesives again, but I guess I'm going to try some, and we'll do it in my next video. I've got these because look at the lashes and the way that the lashes look. Okay, so as you can see, look at these lashes. So it's like really full in the center of the eyelash, and then the outside of the lash is really like light. So you have all the lash like in the center where your eyeball is, so it's going to bring that attention to the center of your eye. When I saw these, I was like, okay, I can do like a halo eye, because when you do a halo eye, the focus is on the center of your eyelid and then have the focus on the center of the eyelash. I feel like that would be really cute, so we'll see how that works. That's the vision that I had in my head, and I just never seen any lashes like this, so it was really intriguing to me, interesting to me, so I decided to pick these up. So moving on, I did get one more eyeshadow palette. This one is from BH Cosmetics. I love BH Cosmetics. I haven't purchased anything from them in quite a while. This is their Puerto Rico eyeshadow palette. I wanted to get it just because I'm such a huge fan of Puerto Rico. I've been there before, and I can't wait to hopefully get to go back one day. Just seeing the names of some of the shades and the color story, it just really brought back memories of when I went there. And I love how it has this picture up here of like women in colorful skirts. Looks like they're dancing, and it says party in Puerto Rico. So this is more of a summery type of palette, but I just wanted to get it because it's super duper cute. Next, I actually did make my first purchase from Jaclyn Cosmetics. A lot of her things that she's been coming out with ever since she first started have not interested me, but this is the first collection that she's come out with that actually like sparked my interest, probably because I love blush, and I love the whole like bougie rouge. That's a cute name. I liked the pictures and everything that she took, so this is the first product of hers that's actually made me want to purchase from her. So I did get the Rouge Romance blush palette. It's a matte blush palette. This is what the packaging looks like right here. So pretty. This is the most expensive thing that I purchased. I believe this was like $45, I believe. So her stuff is really pricey. It's like Sephora type pricing. But look at this. This is really pretty. Gorgeous shades, especially for I feel like tanner skin tones. They do have another shade in this, or maybe even two others, but this is the one that I chose. It comes with a very large mirror as well, so we'll be testing this out in an upcoming video. But I love how you get 6 really large beautiful blushes. They look really nice. There is another high-end product that I'm excited to try. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer. This is their new concealer, pretty pricey concealer. It's $29. It's a medium to full coverage blurring concealer that blends smoothly without creasing. That's what it says. It looks like this right here. Ooh, the packaging looks really pretty. I like how it has that really fat doe foot applicator. Those are my favorite type of applicators. It doesn't have one of those skinny little wands, thank goodness. It's a really like fat type of packaging. I like that. Seems really, you know, sleek and high end. I love the black and the gold, the black and the rose gold. Very pretty. I haven't tried anything from Anastasia in so long, in quite a while. It needs to be one of my favorites. I have so many of their eyeshadow palettes that they came out with a few years ago that were when they were so super duper popular. So I'm excited to try some more Anastasia because they finally have gotten me excited to try something again, and that makes me happy because I really do like them. This is the last high-end product that I got. I got another thing from Bare Minerals. I've been using one of their products. It's like an under eye brightener. I have some on today. You probably can tell because they're super duper bright. When I put on my glasses and everything, it looks a little bit more calmed down, but it's a really good product. So I wanted to try another one of their face products. This is the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Pressed Setting Powder. This one in the shade Sheer Tan. So this says it is a weightless powder that sets makeup and helps extend wear while reducing oil and shine. It blurs the look of pores, lines, and imperfections, creating a flawless matte finish with no flashback in photos. It's infused with vitamin E, and it's perfect for on-the-go use. I love how there's a mirror, and it also has a little puffy that comes on the other side. I usually don't really use those, but hey, some people might like them, and if you do, there's one in there. Oops, I forgot about one more high-end product. This is from KKW Beauty. I have never tried anything from KKW. Once again, I mentioned in my last video that all Kylie Cosmetics was like super duper discounted on Ulta Beauty's website, and it prompted me to get a $20 concealer from Kylie Cosmetics that was now $5. That's the only reason why I got it. And this is the same thing, the same situation with KKW Beauty now. It was super discounted. I do not remember exactly how much it was, but I'll put the discounted price on the screen right here just in case you want to check it out and see if this is still going on. It was super duper discounted, and I just added it. It was like $4 or $5, I believe. Once again, maybe she's going through some rebranding or something's going on with her company, and that's why everything's super discounted. I did get a lipstick. It's a cream lipstick, and it is in Candy Apple Red. Ooh, I like her packaging though. This is cute. This is really cute. Saw the color and everything. It's just a classic red. I really like the packaging. It's really like durable too. It doesn't seem like plasticky or anything like that. Red lipsticks, you got to be careful because they can get really messy and really like, I'm not a real big fan of cream lipsticks. I like matte lipsticks and glosses more, especially I'm really just into gloss for the most part, lip liner and gloss. But we'll see how it performs. The next thing that I got is this Milani Aqua Bloom Hydrate and Replenish Water Cream. It says it has blue-green algae and hyaluronic acid. Anything that's super duper hydrating for me is a must-have, and I like water cream type products. I love them. They're usually really cooling, and like the way they feel on your skin is usually like really amazing. So I hope this one is like other water cream products that I've tried. This was pretty pricey too. It was around $20, a little bit less than $20. I believe like $17.99. Has the squeezy tube on this side. It's really heavy. It seems really nice. The last two things are 2 lip liners from NYX. I actually got 3. I opened one because I had to use it. I needed a, oh no, this is not the last thing. I have one thing after this, which is not makeup or beauty related at all, but it's from Ulta. It's so cute and so cool for fall. So this is the second to last thing. I got another one. It's a brown lip liner, and it's in the shade Downtown Beauty. I have it packed up because I'm actually about to go out of town in a few hours. But these are the 2 other ones that I got. These are my favorite lip liners. NYX has the best lip liners for the best price. I love their matte lip liners and their matte suede lip liners. So either ones are really good. I got another like brownish reddish one. This one's in auburn, and then I got an orange one. This one's like more of an orange type color, and this one is in the shade Orange County. I need to re-up my collection of lip liners. I lose them sometimes. I use them up. So these are really good if you're in the market for some lip liners. You can't go wrong with these. Even though they're pencils, they're so super creamy. They're easy to sharpen. Like, they don't break when you sharpen them. They're perfect, and they're only like $5 a piece. These are the last 2 things that I got. Ulta Beauty actually has candles, and they have like fall scents. I love candles, especially in the fall. In the summer, I still burn fall and wintertime candles usually. So I haven't really found a summery type scent of candle that I like. I love the fall and the winter type scents. So I got 2 right here. They're normally $20, and when I was on the website, hopefully it's still going on when I post this video, but they were $10. They were half price, so I got 2 for the price of 1. The first one that I got is in Sparkling Leaves. It reminded me of Bath and Body Works. They have a candle called Leaves, I believe, and it's really popular. This smells really good. It's a very light scent though. Maybe when I burn it, it will be more intense, but it smells kind of clean. It smells very like pine-like. I like how it has that buffalo, is that called buffalo print? What is it called? I actually have this type of print in my classroom on my bulletin boards, but I'm not sure what it's called. But I love that. It has the black top. It says Ulta Beauty on it. It really reminds me of a Bath and Body Works candle. And the other one that I got, this one is called Iced Pumpkin. So, ooh, I'm excited to smell this one. Ooh, now this is what I'm talking about. This is the type of scent that I like. Like, this is kind of sweet. You can also smell that pumpkin really well. This one's strong, so I feel like when I burn this one, it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna light the whole house up. The whole house is gonna smell like this, which I really hope so. So that's the last thing that I got, the 2 fall scented candles from Ulta Beauty. Weird, but I'm here for it, and I want to get some more now. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll have everything that I got listed down in the description box below, so if you're interested in any of these products, you can just click the link and it'll take you right to it. Also, if there's anything you're trying and loving from Ulta right now that I need to get, hit your girl up, let me know. I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video when I try all these products. Till then, guys.